Hi everyone, and welcome to another tutorial on how I use my Google Slides. Today we're going to be going over how I use my slides during asynchronous time. Some whole group and some that the kids will do on their own. So I'm going to split up this slide set and only send some of it to the students. Okay, so when we're talking about Canada's food guide, Americans, friends, you'll have to kind of adapt one for the American food guide because I'm Canadian. So, other Canadians out there, this is the newest version of the Canada Food Guide. If you're still using the rainbow, that we don't use anymore. We are using the newest version. So we'll talk to on the first day. We're going to introduce and talk about foods. I usually have some hands-on, real fruits and vegetables, real grains, real proteins to show the kids and have them kind of say, what is that? What is this? How do you know what a fruit and vegetable is? How do you know what a protein is? So on and so forth. Okay, and then we'll go into a screen share where we will watch fruits and vegetables. I have 3 videos. The other ones I only have 2. So we'll watch the videos together by going into present and just clicking on one of them. I always have 2 computers so the kids can I'm still there, and the screen share is done on a separate. So we'll watch the SciShow Kids and some of the other videos. This is Ed Said, they're very cute. And then we would go out by escaping and back into our work together slide. Then we go on to the next slide here, which is what we're going to do as a whole group. So I will say to the kids, okay, these are all fruits and vegetables. I'm going to put up your hand if you can tell me one that is fruit and vegetable. So Sally says, put up her hand, and she says, the pepper. The pepper is a vegetable. So we will move the pepper in. And there's always 2 of them. I leave the one there. Okay. And then maybe I say to the kids, okay, is a pepper a fruit and vegetable? Give me a thumbs up if you think yes it is, or a thumbs down if you think no it's not. And I look through the kids and find out if there's any that have their thumbs down, and I might ask them, okay, well, what do you think it is if it's not a fruit or vegetable? And then we all have a discussion about that until all of the things are done. All right, so that each kid kind of has a chance to say a fruit and vegetable or what's not a fruit and vegetable and why they think that. Always asking the why. That's what gets the conversation going. Okay, then on Tuesday, we're going to go to the activity that they're going to do on their own. So what I will do is I will take these 3 slides and I will shift to copy them. All right, make them all highlighted, and then I go into File, make a copy, selected slides. So I am going to say that's the Canada Food Guide for kids. And I will save it, and it will open a new one for me. Now, this is the one that I am going to share to my classroom for the kids to do. So each kid before this lesson will already have one of these in their box. And I will say, okay, you're going to go over and you're going to open in the classroom your healthy breakfast activity. Okay, I'm not going to wait for that to load. So we're going to go over to our healthy breakfast activity. And now you have a minute or 2, make yourself a healthy breakfast. And we might talk about it as they're building. Okay, what are you putting in yours? Oh, yeah, I'm going to have a donut, and I'm going to have some juice, and I'm going to have a hot dog. All right, how does that? Anybody think that's a healthy breakfast? Would you? And some no, it's not there. Those are not healthy breakfasts. Oh, okay, what should I take away? And we would get rid of the not so good for you things. No, orange juice is questionable, but we can leave it there anyway. Make sure we add some water, and so on and so forth. And then they go away and they make their own. I tell them only the breakfast one today. We're only doing breakfast together, okay? Don't submit it yet to the classroom, just the breakfast one. And then the Tuesday, we will do the same thing with the grains, watch the videos, do the activity together, and we're going to make lunch on Tuesday. And again, no submitting yet. And then we do the next one and do dinner. And then at the end of the week, I say, okay, you have all 3 done. Submit those to me so I can see what you chose. And that's it. All right. So I hope this was helpful. And if you're liking these videos, please subscribe